In 5 minutes, I'll tell you exactly how you can make your first $500 in a day with Google pay-per-click ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, as you watch this video, I'm making it very quick in a car because I want to get the point across, which is this. In 2025, if you want to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. So courses are outdated. Most of the courses online are outdated, right? It used to work, some strategy on Facebook ads, YouTube, Google ads. It used to work 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and they are still selling the same thing. Now, in 2025, with Google pay-per-click ads, you have to understand the number one thing is buyer's intent, right? You can have the nicest graphic design landing page on ClickFunnels, website, blog page, quiz funnels, but it will not convert, it will not make you sales if you don't have the right message to the market match on your landing page. So copy is important. Ad copy, copywriting on sales page is very, very important, because on the pre-sale page we are pre-selling, so we are looking for the buyers, right? In 2025, it's all about buyers. We are looking on Google pay-per-click ads for the right keywords, negative and positive keywords, long-term, short-term, right? We're looking for all of these because we want to make money fast, quickly, and easy and simple. Okay? Yes, it's doable. You can make $500 because, for example, my friend, on Clickbank, one person will buy the entire funnel. What do I mean by that? They're gonna buy $67 ebook and course. They're gonna buy weight loss supplement as an upsell, which is $250. So at the end of the day, you can make $500, even $1,000 per day, per sale from one person on Clickbank as a newbie, as an affiliate. How much time investment you need to invest? All you have to do is invest 20 to 30 minutes a day per day of your time. Okay? And it's much easier and simpler if you can avoid those avoidable mistakes by having someone who can personally, over the Zoom call, one-on-one, show you in those 30 minutes or 20 minutes exactly how you can do it in a day, right? Because, my friend, the truth is, once you have someone who can help you, you will finally be able to get a system that will allow you to get the results naturally and effortlessly. It works like that. You can see, go on my Instagram and tell me when I'm telling lies. I went to over 63 countries, stay in 5-star resorts, Dubai, Bali, Thailand, Australia, Europe, Africa, all right? I went to so many countries, stayed in so many nice places, had so many crazy adventures with my family, because I took affiliate marketing seriously, right? If you have 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can do it. You need laptop and Wi-Fi connection and a little bit of money to invest in yourself to get some sustainable daily sales, daily results as an affiliate, of course. You don't have to quit your job if you have a job. If you have one, you can do it in 20 to 30 minutes a day beside, and once it makes enough money, then you can replace it if you want to, of course. Okay? So yes, this is the main thing. Understanding also low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. Females, males. The language is, of course, different. Most of affiliates think, yes, you can just put some nice landing page and make sales. No, it doesn't work that way. But it's easy once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and exactly show you how you can do it. So, my friend, as you watch this video right now, what you can do next is you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm giving you my personal cell phone number, so you can call me or text me. But please, only if you're serious. Don't waste my time. If you have no money, if you have no intention of doing anything for yourself, then don't waste my time and don't waste yours. Okay? But if you're serious, if you're smart, and I know you are, because you're still watching this video, then let's connect, let's make something happen together, okay? One-on-one. Let me know if you're serious, and let's see if I can help you and if we are the right fit to work together. Let me know, and thank you for watching this video.